As far as system scans, we're gonna do a preview on how it looks, and it's gonna come up with all the faults and what we can do on it. Here's an overall view, and you can see on this engine, here are the fault number, here's the description on the faults, and of course you have the freeze frame data. You can see when this fault happened, the current state, like we did before. It's also on some, depending on the type of fault, right, you can have access to technical data available. Here's the components. It shows you an image on the location inside the engine, and also the values on the injector side and the temperature. So here you have the steps that I was explaining before. Let me give you steps, check the wiring, and takes you directly to the live measurements. So you can check it through here in order to run the troubleshooting. So then have you detected no, you select next, and so on until you finally figure it out and you clear the faults in this case. So it will give you pre-initial conditions on how to do this calibration. And here you have all the steps. So step 1, turn this, step 2, press this. There we go. So let's go back. Here's some maintenance features on this system. In this case, you can run a maintenance reset. And it gives you the steps too. Anything that you're doing, even the calibrations, they will come up in your final report. So you know for sure what you did. You can turn on and turn off components like the ignition coils, injectors, oil control valve, and fuel heat pump.
If you have any questions, just get in touch with us here at Mechnician. You can reach us at 888-64-2240 or www.mechnician.com. Thank you very much.